to discuss a little thing with you about the progress report card itself. Whenever the day, if you remember your past, or still today if your status is a student, whenever there is a result day, what is happening? Our heartbeat increases like anything, no matter how much we are confident. But even then, we are shaking, we are vibrating, we are thinking that what will happen, and we are praying. We start 5-time pray, reciting Holy Quran, and whenever we close our eyes, we pray, Allah Miya Izzat Bacha Lena, Allah Miya, Allah Miya, Allah Miya. And these days, after paper or before paper, we become more religious and we talk too much to God about the result day, about only the result which is going to disclose after the papers which you are going to attempt. But we forget that till life, till grave, we are under observation, and our main result will really disclose on that day, when there is no mommy, when there is no daddy, when there is no other one to save you. Anyway, look at our condition. Just think for a minute. As we all are grown up, we understand what is the meaning of the result, what will happen later on, what really mean, how embarrassed I will or how happy I will. But we are talking about the children. Do you think that the children have the same feeling like us? No, not at all. You make him aware, tomorrow your result day, tomorrow will be your result day. Okay, mommy, result day. And one of my colleagues said me one, thing about the student. She shared me that 2 kids came from the same family, belongs to 2 different brothers. And their name was Umair and Khalid. And every time, they both really, as the mother works hard to bring their grades up because of belonging the same family and show the status in their family, not for the development of the child, for the status in the family, they try to just make them very well in their progress and studies. And at the result day, the Umair came 3rd and the Khalil came 10th. And after announcement, when they both came out, Khalil ran to the mother and said, "Dekha, Umair abhi tak 3rd aa raha hai, main bada ho gaya, main 10th aa gaya." And the children have that senses about, they do not have really sense of the result. This is the reason that Dr. Maria Montessori said that no reward and no punishment. Have you ever seen, kabhi dekha hai, any mother is going to maintain any progress report at home for or making a chart for the development? No, not at all. Then as the Montessori directors is same like a mother, the Montessori environment is a home extension. Then why here it is necessary to maintain the progress report card? Here I am going to tell you that the traditional school's report card is totally different from our Montessori report cards. The life is a series of rebirth. Dr. Maria Montessori said that put the knowledge on the child's feet, the child will later automatically pick up that language or whatever you are telling to the child. Have you ever noticed that how well the child is able to speak that language which you are speaking in surrounding, in your environment? Have you ever sent the child to any institute or any tutor, or you give any conscious lesson to the child to learn that language which you are speaking? The child is floating in the sensitive period. He has a sensitivity of everything which God has given him. nature. We all are human beings. We all have two eyes, internal and external. I mean, I'm not going to specify the organs, but internally and external. We all are same from each other, are we? But even after having that similarities, we are different from each other. What I'm speaking, many of you are going to be understand 10%, many of you are going to understand 5%, because we are not in the state of absorbent mind. The capability and the capacity, what we adults can learn in 30 years, the child can learn in 30 seconds. Can you imagine that? This is the reason. No matter how many languages you are going to speak in the surrounding, the child is able to speak all the languages. Then why not the mathematics? Then why not the Urdu? Then why not the English? Then why not the other thing? हम कौन होते हैं? Who are we to make them graded? He is in B grade. He is in C grade. The other thing is this, that what I asked you before, that why it is necessary for the teachers to make the report card, because the teacher is also going to have a meeting with the parents related to their children. And she is at a time handling 35 to 40 students. So may she forget a minor thing. This is the reason. She is going to maintain a record of the observations. Please try to understand. It's not the marks out of 10 or out of 15. And it is not the grades, because the parents are concerned related with the grades, but the directors are concerned related with the development, self-development of the child. Because what is the motto, what is the aim? To make the child independent. And what brings positivity in the child's personality? Appreciation. If you are not going to appreciate the child will not show his progress. No matter if he is there, but no matter how good effort you are putting to the child, but once you say that you are failed, you are failed, you must show much better than this, these words kills the child. In the Montessori class, there is no such word report card. There is a record for the observation which the directress is going to maintain on daily basis. Because every day the child is learning something. Whatever the child is watching from you adult, he is just taking in and keep it in his learn after repeating 2 to 3 times. Somebody can repeat learn after repeating 40 times. It's all up to the individuals, right? So this is the difference between the traditional schools and the Montessori classroom, first of all. But definitely, as we do not have a real Montessori system in our area, so we have divided our curriculum in different stages. Like the one thing is the presentation, the material which has been presented, and then the practice, and then the third, the master. And in that 3 area, the directress has to watch the children, individual one, and make the report card. The report card, as you call it a report card, but we Montessorian always call observation records. Observation records, because we are maintaining the record according to our observation. Not suppose that you know how much pressure you are going to maintain on the child, may because of any fear. At that time, he can write that, he can give you the answer, but lots of deviation occurs because of that pressure. So never and ever give any pressure to the child. Try to motivate the child, and in any other day, any other time, may the child tell you, but You know that my child know it or not very well. Do not pressurize the child for giving the answer to you. I have a sample observation file that what I am going to show you. But before of that, here there is a two-way to maintain the observation record, that is the checklist, and other is the narrative. I mean, you are going to inform verbally to the parents because many of the things you are not able to, it is not possible to show it in a written form to the parents. You need to talk to the parents. You need to convey, and this is the way the parents, the child, feels that how much my teacher is concerned about me. So I'm going to tell you about the checklist. First, you are going to look that. Then I'm going to
make a file, main paper, maintain it, and this is the EPL index. It's a EPL index, and look at that. The first presentation, that is holding a tray, and the column here is age, date, remarks of directress, remarks of parents, right? And the directress is going to deliver the presentation, suppose holding a tray over here, and she has to put the age of the child and date of the child, and if any remarks she want to give here, she has to maintain that remarks over here. If she has to write more, so she can utilize this page. Okay? Then this is the way all the presentation, whatever is there in our curriculum and LMI curriculum, I just mentioned it over here, but if you want to add it more. One thing that I want to inform you, like in our system, in our area, we are not really following the Montessori system in totality. Look, a few things are from kindergarten, few things are from nursery, few things are from the Montessori, but the pure Montessori system, in the pure Montessori system, the child has to stay in one environment for 3 years. The child do not have to change the environment. Suppose if I have an area in which I can accommodate 35 students, so that 35 student remains with me for 3 years in the same environment, and one teacher is going to take care of that child till 3 years, because the child is in the sensitive period of order. The child is in the sensitive period of love. And if you are going to change the environment after every 6 or 8 months, it is very, very difficult for the child to adjust, because 2.5 is the age by Dr. Maria Montessori, said by Dr. Maria Montessori, because this is the age in which the child is able to understand a little bit commands of others. This is the reason 2.5 is the age, best age for him to send in the Montessori class. But the changing brings maybe a negative impact on the personality of the child. So that is going to maintain till last. And when 5 plus, like 6 years, when the child is able for the class 6, class 1, 5 plus, not 6, I mean 6. What is the age of class 1? 6 years. 6 years. Class 1, 6 years. So this is the way every teacher, if suppose by chance any teacher change, then what happens? The record is there in the environment.
Going to fix up everything which you want to transfer to the child. There is no need even for the explanation. The material itself enough for the child to fix everything which you are giving to the child. And then wherever the language comes, that you can take the help of the technical thing, that is 3-period lesson you have to transfer. And ये हो नहीं सकता, it is not possible that what you are giving to the child he is not picking. As I give you a simple example of language. So making him fail because he is not able, or he is not able to answer you on that particular time. When you ask for writing he didn't write that, you, or इसके answer में you give a 0. you make him faint, you make him embarrassed, you should not do it. So you have to only make the observation record to just have a good rapport among the parents and the teacher, and also able to give more to the child by judging that records, not just giving or making him embarrassed because of that record that you have not done on that day. This is the reason you are punished, you are not going to transfer, you will not be given this things. These should not be done. These all things are only the observation records, and this is very important for the teachers. Thank you.
Okay, Ma'am Nazra, I did say that she's going to wake you up, and it was really wonderful because that's the reality. The teaching, the training that you get in London Montessori or anywhere else to become a directress, that is the just theory, practically what happens. So lovely ma'am, let's hope that they will go back with all that information and implement keeping progress record of each child. About the Montessori prepared environment, if you want to recognize that is it a pure Montessori, there has to be one element. And apart from the others, like it has to have, of course, the material, the children has to be there, a trained teacher is must. But apart from all these three important factors, the prepared environment,